Pre-foreclosure leads. Now, pre-foreclosures seem like they would be the best lead on the planet. I know they do. What's a better lead than someone who's about to lose their home, okay? I get it. But they're really weird, okay? And not all pre-foreclosures really want to sell their house. Now, if we dive deeper into the mentality of a pre-foreclosure lead, you'll find they may not be as motivated to sell as you think they would be. The number one reason why is they currently aren't even paying a mortgage. That's why they're in pre-foreclosure, which means if they did sell the house to you, they would just have to move somewhere else and actually pay rent or a mortgage. So these leads aren't as motivated as you think they would be to actually sell their property. Them, in their opinion, selling to you is actually a mistake because they're going to be thinking, wait, so I'm just have to go pay mortgage somewhere else? Why would I do that? I don't even pay one right now. So we need to think about that when pursuing leads. These leads are not as obvious as you would think. Pre-foreclosures are often some of the biggest time wasters you can have. And that's because their lives might be a mess. And if you don't watch out, you could get caught up in that mess. And then you're dealing with their problems. And then one day you find out they already lost the house. So trust me, I've been there and I'm only speaking from experience. I'm not saying stay away from these leads, but I am saying I want you to understand that you're actually going to get less leads on the pre-foreclosure list. However, the good news is if you do actually get a lead, it does close more often. So less leads, higher close rate. So you need to decide for yourself and your market, is the less amount of leads worth the higher close rate? It can be a real pain to chisel leads out of a pre-foreclosure list. But when they come, they normally hit because that person does actually have a big problem. The hard part about them is that person actually ready to sell and take on a mortgage somewhere else? Because that's the reality of their situation. So they not only have to want to sell the house, but they must want to also change their ways and start paying their bills. No offense to anyone in pre-foreclosure, but you get there by not paying your mortgage. So they now have to decide, I'm ready to pay a mortgage somewhere else before they sell you their house.